In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and use a custom template. To get started, make sure the item you want to turn into a template already contains everything you'd like to reuse later. This includes the content itself, along with any settings, fields, statuses, and other important details. The idea here is to prepare a version that represents the structure you want to repeat. So take a moment to confirm that everything looks the way you want before saving it as a template. Once your item is ready, click the three-dot menu for that item. This is where you'll find more actions and options related to it. From that menu, select Templates. Then click Save as Template to begin creating your custom reusable version. Next, enter a name for the custom template. Choose a name that clearly describes what the template is for, since this will make it much easier to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates over time. After that, add a description and select the template tags. A short, useful description can help provide extra context, and tags are a great way to organize templates so they're easier to browse in the future. You'll then need to choose the sharing and permission settings for the template. This step is important because it determines who can access or use the template. Depending on your workflow, you may want to keep it limited or make it available more broadly. After that, select the details you want to include in the template. This gives you control over what gets carried over whenever the template is used, so be thoughtful here, and include only what's actually helpful for repeated use. When everything looks right, click Save Template. Your custom template is now stored and ready to be used whenever you need it. To apply the template, open the location where you want to use it. Then click the three-dot menu again and select Templates. From there, choose Browse Templates. This will open the available template library, where you can find and open the custom template you just saved. Once you've opened it, click Use Template to apply it. That will insert the saved structure and details into your chosen location, helping you work faster and stay consistent. And that's it. You've now learned how to save a custom template and use it later, whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.